see it on camera. Guinea
you
pigs
can.
having hiccups.
The guinea pig with the hiccups.
How do you even get the hiccups?
I think it's from the strawberries or something. I don't know. At first we thought he was cold, but he's not.
Yeah, he's having the hiccups.
You can see him like his back twitching, like right here.
Yeah.
And that's
Yeah, and you can see his nose moving a little more than what it would be. Oh wow.
and right here. You turn the camera here.
Yeah.
You can see this part moving as well.
Yeah.
Never seen Snowball have hiccup before.
Yeah. First time. Yeah, and he's only about 2 years old.
You can see it better like if you go up more.
Yeah.
From the top.
Yeah, you can.
He's not wanting to focus.
He's not feeling good.
Got the hiccups, Snowball. Got the hiccups.
Hmm.
Yeah.
He's sicky. Wee.
Did you still have him?
Mhm.
Nope. He got rid of the hiccups.
No, he didn't.
Hmm.
It slowed down a lot.
Hmm.
Snowball, you're cute. Yeah.
Oh, it'll be funny to get a snapshot.
Snowball has the hiccups.